this is my 2008 Mitsubishi Evolution 10. As you guys can see, it's wider than the normal Evo. It has a Varis V2 full kit on it, and then it's fully built, 2.2 stroker, big turbo, 6067, 6062 precision turbo, Sakura piping, ETS intercooler, Shippy build tranny, a lot of titanium, to be honest, and then all carbon fiber everywhere, as you can see. CCW wheels, two-piece wheels with RK titanium lugs, endless big brake kit, Ganador mirror, and airlift suspension. On interior wise, I got bride seats with bride's apostrophe on the back, Ellis with steering wheel, Costco cage, 6-point cage, the stargazing headliner, I did that. Yeah, works bill, quick release, NRG adapter, ARC ship knob, and a bunch of like little stuff like titanium wise, either carbon fiber or titanium. I had a Cybon headlight delete, which you can stuck your hand in there. That's actually for the air. It's functional, okay? Everyone thinks that it's not, it's just for show, it's function. I think that's all I got on the car. Very simple car. Yeah, so it has a full Alcantara on it. The old owner does it. I didn't do it. But he did a good job, you know? Because he had the suede, and then it has like red stitching that matches the seat, the bride seats. Complements a lot. And then he did this door latch thing. It's actually from Porsche. And he told me this is like an actual Porsche suede material. It's pretty cool. It's a nice touch, I would say. I had this for like 2 years now. I mean, building a car, it takes a minute. As a matter of fact, when I bought this car, it's already somewhat built. Yeah, I kind of just continue the build, you know, my signature wise. Yeah, it's been a project since the day one, and it's still a project until now. So yeah, this is what it looks like 2 years worth of build, I guess. Okay. Favorite mod will be, I would say, the airlift suspension on it, because I did install it myself with my friends. And I mean, God, it's so convenient, you know. The mirror, the Ganador mirror, I mean, that's straight JDM stuff. And it's actually a right-hand drive mirror, because it's from Japan. And so I have this little, you know, that little mirror that you put inside, like the oval mirror, so you can see like wide angle. Because this one, you couldn't see from the left side driver. It's, yeah, man, but I still want it, you know. Car community, I think it's awesome. I love car community because I meet a lot of people from building cars. I think every single state, like California, New York, Miami, Florida, pretty much everywhere. I think it just keeps everyone close together, you know? So it's just making new friends, to be honest. I mean, it's just the way how I am. I like meeting new people and giving them idea on their build or something, or I could help them, you know. You get recognized eventually, you know. You get recognized on your build, which is, I think it's crazy. You work for what you want, to be honest. You know, like, if I want a car parts, I mean, you gotta bust your ass and make it happen, you know. They're obviously expensive. But yeah, like, it takes time and money. But yeah, I just start seeing stuff that I want and I make it happen.